Read specific columns from a CSV file with CSV module. I'm trying to parse through a CSV file and extract the data from only specific columns. Example CSV. I'm trying to capture only specific columns, say id, name, zip and phone. Code I've looked at has led me to believe I can call the specific column by its corresponding number, so name would correspond to 2 and iterating through each row using row 2, would produce all the items in column 2. Only it doesn't. Here's what I've done so far. And I'm expecting that this will print out only the specific columns I want for each row, except it doesn't. I get the last column only.
The only way you would be getting the last column from this code is if you don't include your print statement in your for loop. This is most likely the end of your code. You want it to be this. Now that we have covered your mistake, I would like to take this time to introduce you to the Pandas module. Pandas is spectacular for dealing with CSV files, and the following code would be all you need to read a CSV and save an entire column into a variable. So if you wanted to save all of the info in your column names into a variable, this is all you need to do. It's a great module and I suggest you look into it. If for some reason your print statement was in for loop and it was still only printing out the last column, which shouldn't happen, but let me know if my assumption was wrong. Your posted code has a lot of indentation errors, so it was hard to know what was supposed to be where. Hope this was helpful.
With a file like will output, or alternatively if you want numerical indexing for the columns. To change the delimiter, add delimiter equals to the appropriate instantiation, i.e. reader equals csv.reader if delimiter equals.
Use pandas. Discard unneeded columns at parse time. P.S. I'm just aggregating what others have said in a simple manner. Actual answers are taken from here and here.
You can use numpy.load text file name. For example, if this is your database.csv. And you want the name column. More easily you can use confront text.
equals CS responding